Richie runs a grocery store with a giant loading dock in the back. Trucks come and go daily, delivering food and placing it on the loading dock. Same for the birds. Without a beat, the birds fly in and fly out, landing on the upper beams, looking for food and shelter, all the while leaving unsanitary droppings all over the trucks, loading dock, and food. Richie decided the best solution would be bird netting, a simple solution that would be virtually invisible and stretch right across the entire loading dock roof area, preventing birds from roosting or nesting. The high-performance 3/4-inch bird netting is made from a strongly woven polypropylene material, boasting a 75-pound breakage threshold per square inch. The mesh is woven from 6 interlocking strands of black polypropylene. The mesh will stretch and adjust to many different dimensions. It is extremely simple to install, using staples, clips, fasteners, or hog rings. This netting will not rust and is resilient to most mold and mildew. The polypropylene is UV stabilized for protection from the sun and is tightly woven for extreme cold weather protection. Its flexibility and design will give you the best protection against small animals and birds. Our durable netting is ideal for the protection of residential and commercial properties, including grocery stores with giant loading docks.